This is how every computer should be, virus-free. These checks are nowadays carried out by virus protection software. To ensure the effectiveness of this software, staff in the labs of the antivirus software companies work round the clock. Moscow Kaspersky Lab. This is where the Russian company, one of the largest manufacturers of antivirus software, collects viruses from across the world on an almost minute-by-minute basis. Customers and the Kaspersky fan club email suspicious items to the lab. In addition, the team in Moscow scans millions of websites for viruses every day. They also maintain thousands of anonymous email addresses with the aim of actually attracting viruses. Once the potential viruses have been received, using special software, the virus lab automatically examines the files. If the software identifies a virus, the relevant file is first checked out by a virus analyst. If the virus has been sourced from a website, the address is flagged. The virus analyst now loads the file into a disassembler, a program to reveal the source code and to discover the first bits of information about the way the virus works. The virus then moves to an isolated computer to demonstrate what its real impact is. The computer records all the activity. The virus analyst then creates a fingerprint of the file. This consists of clear features that can only occur in that file. The team then compares these features with many thousands of legal programs. If there's no concordance, then the file is identified as a virus. The analysts are now able to create the signature that recognizes the virus on an infected computer. This is then made available to the user as an update. However, the virus hunters from Kaspersky are not just at work in Moscow. All across the world, analysts are working to identify the latest trends and to cut the time between a virus being discovered and it being recognized by an antivirus program. Research naturally plays a major role when it comes to viruses. Virus writers are extremely active in developing new types of viruses. However, we also have to invest a great deal in order to ensure we can continue to recognize these new viruses. The problem is that the financial resources available to the attackers have increased dramatically in the past few years. Previously, one single person writing a virus had only a very small budget to play with. Now we're talking about much higher volumes of cash. There's no doubt that the battle is intensifying. However, if we compare the recognition rate today with that of 3 years ago, we're still very much holding our own. Computer viruses have existed for over a quarter of a century, and they're becoming ever more aggressive. Today, the programming and spread of viruses is predominantly the result of organized crime. The game of cat and mouse continues, and things are not set to become any easier for the manufacturers of antivirus software in the future. Users need to be more vigilant and at least have an up-to-date virus protection program installed on their computer.